A QA slide lets your participants ask your questions during your presentation. All the questions will be collected in a list, and you can arrange and address each question one by one. To create one, click on New Slide and select Q&A as your slide type. Type your heading in the box labelled Heading. By ticking the option labelled On All Slides, your participants will be able to ask questions at any point in your presentation, which you can answer when you reach your Q&A slide. Ticking the option labelled Moderate Audience's Questions will generate a backstage link. You can give this link to an assistant so they can approve and dismiss incoming questions before they appear on your Q&A slide. Allowing your audience to see each other's questions means they can see and upvote any submitted question from the crowd. Allowing anonymous questions means your audience can submit questions without inputting their names. Present your Q&A slide by pressing the Present button and sharing your QR code with your audience. Once they've scanned the code, they can start submitting questions. You can go through each question individually, marking them as answered once you've answered them, or pinning them to address them later. The 5 tabs on the left of the slide help you keep questions organized however is best for you. Now, let's start with the heading.